Dreaming of a bright future for your child? Let's make it happen together. When it comes to planning for your child's education, long-term equity funds can be your best ally. These funds offer the potential for higher returns over time, making them perfect for building a solid financial foundation. Take the HDFC Children's Gift Fund, for example. It combines growth opportunities with a disciplined investment approach. Or consider the SBI Magnum Children's Benefit Fund, known for its balanced portfolio and strong performance. Both are designed to help you accumulate wealth systematically, ensuring you can meet future education expenses with ease. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from the power of compounding. So, why wait? Stay till the end for a special surprise worth rupees 21,000. Subscribe to Delta Edge and send a screenshot to WhatsApp number 91132111787 to claim your 5 financial calculators. These tools will help you plan effectively and secure your child's educational future. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button now and take the first step towards a brighter tomorrow for your child.